Hi everybody, and welcome to another Tech Tuesday video. This video is all about my new vlogging camera. So this is the Samsung MV800, and as you can tell, it has a flip up screen, which is perfect for vlogging. I was using my phone, and I don't mind using my phone. I think the quality is amazing on my phone. I have an iPhone 6 Plus. I think the quality is amazing. The only thing is, whenever I have to edit on the phone, upload from the phone, and sometimes my phone will be out of commission for the entire day because I have to edit, then export, then upload, and then uploading takes forever. Then my phone will have to be on charge while it's uploading, so it always drained my battery really quickly. So I decided to get a vlogging camera. I bought this on eBay. I paid $130 for it, $120 something for it. It is a used camera, so that's why I got it so cheap. And yeah, I don't know, the quality is okay. It's not the best. It's not 1080p, it's 720, so I don't know, but it's okay, but it's not the best. It's a very good start out vlogging camera. Now on the top here, this is where you have the on button, and it lights up blue. It zooms up to 5. It has like a 5 times zoom, like 5x zoom. It says it right here, and that zooming is not really impressive at all. It is not impressive. Let me show you guys. So there, where you guys move and record. So I'm not sure if you can see, but see, it doesn't zoom. That like 5x zoom is not that impressive at all. One major thing that I like about it is that it's touchscreen. You have 2 additional buttons here, the play button that I can press and look back on videos and pictures that you've already filmed or taken, and you have the home button that allows you to get into the inner workings of the phone, like settings and stuff like that. And you have a button at the back that you can press to start recording. When you have it in selfie mode, you can press it to start recording, and you can also press it to take pictures. So you can take a picture like this with the button right here. So it has 1, 2, 3 buttons, and it is touchscreen. Now the touchscreen quality is, I would say, it's horrible. It's horrible, and it delays by a second. Whenever I'm recording, it delays by a second. This is my new vlogging camera. My vlog channel is the Lyric Uncut, and I told you guys that I was going to come with a tech teaser about this camera. Again, this is a Samsung, I believe I said Sony, the Samsung MV800. I bought it used on eBay, and I bought it used intentionally because I know I won't have this camera for long, because the aim is to get a Sony A5100 for my new vlogging camera. The quality is 20 megapixels. Excuse me, this has 16 megapixels. The lens for that Sony, the Sony A5100, it has interchangeable lens. I can take it off and switch to another lens. This has an affixed lens. As you can see, it pushes out whenever you turn it on, and it goes back in whenever you turn it off. It's fixed. You can't screw on and put on another one. So yeah, the flip up screen is pretty cool, and as you can see, it's pretty thin. It's not bulky at all, very thin. It slips anywhere into my little pouch. I haven't put it in my wallet yet, but into my pouch, in Jonathan's bag, in my bag, it slips in very well. So I love that about it, and I mostly love how compact it is. My hands are very small, and for my hands to be gripping it like this, it's very compact, and I love it for that. What I don't like about this is, as I said, the touchscreen quality is not the touchscreen. The quality, the screen resolution is horrible. I don't know what it is, but it's not as clear. I think I'm completely used to DSLR cameras, like what I'm filming from now. I'm filming from my Canon T3i with my 33mm lens. That tech teaser about, I can link the description bar, but that's the lens that I'm using on this, and I just get used to this quality. So this is like a huge downgrade for me, which is why this is just going to be an in-between vlogging camera. Would I recommend this for tutorials? Yes, if you're just starting out and you want HD videos but you don't have the HD money, I would say yes, really good to start out with. And at the bottom here, you can screw it onto a small little tripod, and it can be used obviously like for a vlogging camera because it's really light. But if you want to do tutorials, then yes. Now I'm not sure if this autofocus is. I don't think so. So that may be an issue for you with the makeup tutorials, if autofocuses or not. I haven't read up much about it, but as far as I can tell, it doesn't autofocus. Now this, when I looked at the manual, it's supposed to come with a charger, with a wall adapter thingy, then a separate charger that I take out the battery and plug it in that charger, then you plug it in. But I only got 2 thingies with this. I got this string and I got the charger and a USB cord, a USB cable, and right at the side here there's a flip up and it can plug in any HDMI cable, I think it is. Yeah, so I use this to use to charge it, so I can't take the battery out and the battery is underneath. I can't take out the battery and it's already in there, so the battery came in the camera, so I can't take out the battery and like plug it in elsewhere and charge and stick in another battery, because I have to buy it separate, you understand? So I have to buy a charger like that separately. Only have 1 battery so far. I want to get a second one, and I use the USB cable that comes with it to charge it, and I just use like a wall adapter somewhere, either my iPhone wall adapter or something. Battery life, it is really good, but maybe I haven't been vlogging for the entire day, but it's really good. It's good. It gives me at least 6 hours just filming, like just vlogging, and that's pretty good for vlogging. Yeah, that's basically it. Again, this is the Samsung MV800, my new vlogging camera. My vlogging channel is Lyric Uncut, and for my vlogging channel I have a goal to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of 2015. So go ahead and subscribe. That vlog channel is about everything: me without makeup, me without hair. It's a Jonathan, it's a Jeremy, it's a Rohan, Osana, my grandmother, my mother. It's everything, because that's like the behind the scenes vlogging everyday camera. I'm sorry, everyday channel. It's just really relaxed. I'm not as glammed up all the time. Only I'm gonna do it like today. I'll be vlogging today and I'll be gonna do it today. So yeah, what else? Yeah, that's basically it. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also share and like this video, and if there's anything that you want to see from me or have any suggestions, you can go ahead and leave that in the description bar below. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. Let me know in the description bar below. Don't forget don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're on road to 500,000 subscribers for this year 2015. Comment in the description bar what you like to see. Click like, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys.